Hey y'all, it's Whitney B from Carousels, and I'm coming back with you with another video on how to delete a photo from a carousel. So according to Instagram, they recently just added a feature where you're able to delete a photo from your carousel. Unfortunately, there's not a feature yet where you could add one, but nevertheless, I'll show you how to get it done. First things first, you want to go to the post where you have the carousel, and then you want to go to the three dots at the top right-hand corner. Once you click it and the menu comes up, you click edit. And then you'll notice that once you click edit, all of the photos will be available. Now, what's interesting is there's now a trash can on the left-hand side of the screen. So if you click on the trash can, it will tell you to delete. So you want to go ahead and delete. And voila, that is deleted from your post. So you want to make sure you click done so the changes are saved. Now, if you do this on accident, or if you ever want to restore a photo, there's a way to do that as well. So what you simply would do is to go to your home screen, and then you want to go to your profile, click on the little hamburger at the top right-hand side of the screen. Then you click settings, and then you want to go to account, and then you want to go where it says recently deleted. So you'll see that the post that I had inside of my carousel was deleted. You want to click on it. Then you want to click the three dots again, and then you click restore and click restore one more time. And voila, it will go right back into your carousel. So that is a quick tutorial on how to delete a carousel post from inside of Instagram. If you want to learn more, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for Carousels, or you can learn more about us at Carousels.com. Once again, my name is Whitney B, and I am the CEO of Carousels, and I'll see you guys again soon. Peace.